2013 Subaru Outback, a limited special edition, has 220,000 miles. Oil looks pretty dirty. I have no idea when the oil was changed last time, so I'll start with oil change. I let the engine run for about 5 minutes to make sure it's hot enough and ensure most of the oil will drain. It says on the cap here 020 is oil to use. I'm gonna use 020 this time. I'll see if this vehicle does burn oil. I know that 2013 models and up have tendency of burning oil, and if it will burn a lot of oil, maybe I'll switch to 530. I like the fact that oil pan on Outbacks made of steel, not of aluminum, so you shouldn't worry much about messing up the drain threads. I think the size is 17 millimeter. And yes, it is. I'm gonna need to get extension. Whoever did oil change last time screwed it way too tight. Oil does look extremely old and dirty. I'm gonna replace the crusher washer. Looks a little bit different from the ones that I bought from dealership. But anyway, I'm gonna use this. And I'll try to find a bunch of them on Amazon. I'll give you Amazon affiliate link in the description of my video. And I'm gonna also give you a part number of the original one. Now I'm gonna open the oil filter. With how tight drain plug was, got a feeling that oil filter gonna be very tight too. Wow. Perfect. What's also interesting is this filter used to be there, and I got this mobile one, which is a bit bigger, and this should be compatible with this Outback. No idea about this one. Gonna add a bit of new oil on the oil filter gasket. I'm gonna put oil filter in. That's a hand tight. Now I'm gonna secure the drain plug. I'm just gonna use this funnel, and oil capacity is 5.1 quarts. I'm gonna add 5 now. And I'm gonna add 0.1 ounce just from random oil I had in my shed. Gonna start the car and check for leaks. This oil guarantees protection for 20,000 miles. I wouldn't go that far. I think I'll still change oil every 5 to 6,000 miles. Let me know what you think. Now I'll just dispose of used oil at local auto parts store, and oil change is done. I have a bunch of other issues I'm gonna deal with, including leaky valve covers, rusted coolant line, a leaky radiator. All those issues gonna be addressed in future videos. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.